We will solve the problem quickly and visually using the factorization of a squared minus b squared. Step 1. Write a squared minus b squared as a product. A squared minus b squared equals 24. That factors into a minus b times a plus b equals 24. Let the smaller factor be d equals a minus b, and the larger factor be e equals a plus b. Step 2. List all positive factor pairs of 24 for d times e. We show them all in a grid. Step 3. Enforce the parity condition. Since it equals d plus e over 2 and b equals e minus d over 2, d and e must have the same parity so that d plus e and e minus d are even. Bring our pairs back into focus. Cross out the pairs that are not same parity. Keep only the even pairs. Step 4. Solve for a and b from each even pair. First, d equals 2 and e equals 12. Then, a equals 2 plus 12 over 2 equals 7, and b equals 12 minus 2 over 2 equals 5. Valid. Next, d equals 4 and e equals 6. Then, a equals 4 plus 6 over 2 equals 5, and b equals 6 minus 4 over 2 equals 1. Valid. Now, d equals 6 and e equals 4. Then it equals 5, but b equals 4 minus 6 over 2 equals negative 1, which is not positive. Reject. Finally, d equals 12 and e equals 2. Then it equals 7, but b equals 2 minus 12 over 2 equals negative 5, which is not positive. Reject. Step 5. Collect the positive integer solutions. The valid ordered pairs are a equals 7, b equals 5, or at equals 5, b equals 1. Quick check. 7 squared minus 5 squared equals 49 minus 25 equals 24. And 5 squared minus 1 squared equals 25 minus 1 equals 24.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.